Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can connect WooCommerce to N8N. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.n8n.cloud and log in to your N8N account. The next step would be to click here to create a new workflow. For us to begin, add a first step, and on the search nodes, type in WooCommerce. Click on it, and then we're gonna select a trigger to start. I'm gonna choose this for this video, and then we're gonna need a credential to connect with N8N. So if you already have one, you can use it, but for the sake of this video, let's create a new credential. We simply need to go to our WooCommerce account, put in our consumer key, our consumer secret, and after that, we're gonna click on Save. And then, for the event, click one of the options either to create, delete, update, and so forth. After choosing, go back to Canvas, and you should see a WooCommerce trigger is ready for you to use in N8N. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!